As you see in the picture, this is one of the technique that is used to grow guavas with the help of oranges. I was so inspired and pretty excited to know this technique after watching one of the YouTube videos. So in no time, I implemented this technique and the result was amazing. Do check out. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all good. நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? आप कैसे हो? Let's start now. After 15 days, this is the result I have got. You can see on the left side of the screen and on the right side of the screen, this is the result that you have to get actually when you go for this technique. Did any of you try this technique of plantation? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe Flying Skies One for more interesting videos. Have a good day. Keep smiling.